Hi, welcome to the week three, kind of a week in a glance video. Just kind of give you an idea what we're going to cover this week. Now, this is going to be the second week that we've been in chapter 2. This week, we're going to talk about software. So take a look at the lecture. It's kind of really fast run through of everything that deals with software, both from personal computers to enterprise software and everything in between. So take a look at it. The assignments this week, you've got a problem-solving exercise, the review quiz, and your reflection journal. Remember, your reflection journal does take, I use that for attendance. So if you're so interested to be counted present for this class, take it. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Send me an email, send me a text. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.